Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make a moving company website. The first thing you want to do is go onto wix.com, as Wix Website Builder will be the platform that we are using. The reason why I recommend Wix is it is easy to use, beginner friendly, and you can also get started for completely free. All you'll need to do once on wix.com, you can sign up using your email address. Once you have created your account, you will tap on Create New Site. Then from there, you're going to tap on Create on Wix Editor. After selecting Create on Wix Editor, you're going to tap on Set Up Without AI. Once you have tapped on Setup Without AI, on the dashboard right here, you're going to simply type in Moving Company. Then you can select Next. After selecting Next, you can see it is preparing our dashboard. Once on the dashboard, I'll be showing you how to set up the opening and closing hours for your business, and also how to set up the different services that you will be offering. So you can see we're currently on our dashboard. So let's enter your business name. So let's say, for example, I will call it Jason Moves. Then you can add your business address, then tap on Next. From here, you can select your opening days. So for example, we will be open 7 days a week. And then from there, you can select your opening hours. So let's say, for example, from 8 a.m. every day till 5:45. Then you're going to tap on Next. And from here, you can select the different services that you offer. So let's say, for example, we can scroll down until we see a service that is related to the company. So you can select, for example, domestic trucking. And then you can scroll down, and if you see any other service that is related to your business, you can select it. So as you can see right here, let's say, for example, local move, you can tap on that also. And then you can tap on create new service if you would like to add a service that you don't see. After you're finished, you're going to tap on Next. Once you have selected Next, you can enter your staff member's name and email address. Then you're going to tap on Next once more. And if you plan on accepting payments online, you can select that. And will you be accepting payments in person? You can also select that. Then you're going to tap on Next, and you're going to tap on Continue to Dashboard. After selecting Continue to Dashboard, I will be showing you how to edit the services that you have just added. For example, how to set the prices for the different services, and also how to set up your payment options that you will be offering your customers. So you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option, tap on Booking and Services. Once on this page, what I want you to do next, if you would like to add a new service, you can tap on Add a New Service in the top right-hand corner. If not, you can scroll down, and these are the 3 services that I had added earlier. To edit them, you can simply tap on the pencil that says Edit. After tapping on the pencil, all you'll need to do now, you could edit the name of the service. You can also add a quick description. You can also change the cover image if you want, and you can add the duration of the service, let's say 1 hour. Then you can add the price that you'll be charging right there. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on Save in the top right-hand corner, and you can continue doing this for the different services that you will be offering. And also, another thing that I would like you to pay attention to on the left-hand menu option. But first, let's close this by tapping on the X in the top left-hand corner. If you were to hover over Booking Calendar, you will see Calendar. And this is the calendar that you will be viewing when your website is live and persons start scheduling different services. So you'll be able to view your schedule from this section. Now that I've shown you how to add services, it is now time to set up the different payment options that you will be offering your clients. So you're going to hover over billing and payments, and you're going to select payments. After selecting payments, you will be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you're going to tap on Manage Payment Methods. After selecting Manage Payment Methods, depending on the country you're located in, you will see different payment options that you can offer. So you can see I can connect TiloPay and PayPal. And by the way, to view even more payment options, all you'll have to do is tap on See More Payment Options in the bottom left-hand corner, and you can see more payment options right there. But it will vary depending on the country you're located in. You can change your business location by tapping on your business location in the top right hand corner, and you can change it right there. Once you're finished, you're going to scroll back up, tap on Set Up in the top left hand corner, and we're going to be setting up how our website looks. So you're going to tap on Design Site in the top right hand corner, then tap on Customize a designed template. So you're going to tap on Pick a Template. Then from here you can scroll down and you can see some beautiful templates that you can choose from. And the reason why I recommended Wix is because with these templates, they make it quite easy for even a complete beginner to create a professional looking and operating website. So you'll tap on Edit, then give it a few seconds while the AI composes. Once on this page, if you would like the AI to compose some articles for you, you could tap in the box right here, provide some information, then tap on Generate Site Text, and it will generate some information that will be added to your website. Or you can simply tap on the X to close the pop-up, then tap on the plus 50% in the top right hand corner. After you have done that, you can see how our website looks at the moment by scrolling down. It does look professional, as you can see right there. All you'll need to do is simply scroll down and you can fill in all of the information. So you can see right here, long distance moving. You could simply tap on the text box, then select Edit Text, and from there you can add some basic information, and you can do that with all the sections. So this is basically a ready done template. So all you have to do is simply fill in the description, or better yet, you can simply fill in the information related to your particular business. So you can see right there some sample services. All you have to do is simply fill in the information and change it around so that it better describes your business and the services that you will be offering. And all you have to do is hover over any section that you would like to edit, tap on Quick Edit, then you can go over to the right hand menu option and you can change the site background, the title, the text, anything at all that you would like to edit. It is quite easy and straightforward. All you have to do is use the mouse pad, hover over the section, and then from there you can tap on Quick Edit and you will be able to edit it. And if it is a case that you would like to add a button or text or image, anything at all that you don't see and you would like to add it to a particular section, you can tap on the plus in the top left hand corner that says Add Elements, and you will be able to find all these elements that you can add. Whether it is a text, an image, anything at all, you can find it right here. And also, to view the different pages on your website at the moment, you could tap on Home in the top left hand corner and you can see the different pages right here. So for example, if I were to tap on Services, you can see the service page by simply scrolling down. You can see them right here. Once it is to your liking, you're going to tap on Save in the top right hand corner. Then you can tap on Publish for it to go live. Keep in mind, to receive or better yet to accept payments using Wix, you will need to go onto their paid plan. But their paid plan is quite affordable, as it starts off at $17 per month and it offers numerous features. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.